The PEZ Pals are such a great series. And I've always wondered why they never did a PEZ Girl. Until now! That's right, look at that. There is two. Two of the dispenser that, when it came out, it completely rocked people. There were pictures all over Facebook of long lines around the PEZ Visitor Center that was offering this dispenser. There was only 600 available. It was limit 1 per person. Yet there's 2 here. And per person per day. And you had to go to the PEZ Visitor Center in Connecticut just to obtain it. So here they are. Now, they are also coming out with a blonde and a brunette. I wonder why they never came out with one like these. I guess Pezzy could only dress up so many different ways. So until next time...